Hello, in front of me I've got Ford key fob. In this video I'll show you how to access the battery. In the beginning, prepare screwdriver, the smaller the better. Now, pop the manual key fob, insert the screwdriver into this hole here and push the key fob upwards. Once it's done, remove the key fob and use this part to open the second part. Battery is located here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.